In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these JAMB economics problems under market structure. So guys, we're going to focus on the subtopic oligopoly. We have 6 repeated questions to practice with the video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, one major aim of cartel is to have a joint account, regulate output through quota system, increase production, share profits equally. The right answer is option B, regulate output through quota system. Next question is this one. It says an important feature of a cartel is that members do not reduce price below the cartel price. A powerful member fixes the price at which others will sell. Members fix the prices for their products. Each member has a fixed output above which it is not expected to produce. The right answer is option C, which is members fix the prices for their products. Next question is this one. It says one of the characteristics of oligopoly is the availability of few sellers. Option A, right? Alright, so guys, take note of this question, very important. Next question is this one. It says, okay, this is similar to the one I just finished attempting. See the same thing. One of the characteristics of oligopoly is the availability of what few sellers. Option A. The next question is this one. It says the market structure in which there is independent of price output policies is an oligopoly. Option B. Okay, last question for end this video is this one. It says an agreement among firms on price and segmentation is town collusion. Option B. Okay, so guys, this basically can do problems under market structure for the subtopic oligopoly. Practice with 6 repeated questions for this subtopic in market structure. Hope lesson to interest in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure to subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment in the video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below and I shall give you a response. So ensure part of the channel membership by clicking the join button and be getting premium information and help you to excel your SNE exams like your JAMB and other SNE exams with writing. Okay, so having done this, click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.